Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 13, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has ranked Apple as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.50. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown some natural fluctuations, ultimately resulting in a gain of 1.64%. In other words, on average, it has been generating a return of 0.33% per day since it was classified as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this would present a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $186.35, it would indicate a strong buy signal and a potential shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, it suggests a possible minus 1.62% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from minus 11.46% to minus 0.789%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend indicates a projected 32.22% change over the next year, with a potential return between 21.17% and 51.48%. This means that the stock could reach a price range of $223.93 to $279.93 after 12 months. Our latest update for Apple reveals that the stock price experienced a decrease of 0.86% on Monday. On Monday, November 13, 2023, the Apple stock price dropped from $186.40 to $184.80, representing a decrease of 0.86%. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 0.99%, reaching a low of $184.21 and a high of $186.03. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 8.52% after increasing in 7 out of the last 10 days. Interestingly, the decrease in volume aligns with the decrease in stock price, which is generally considered a positive indication. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 21 million shares on the last day, with a total of 41 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $7.49 billion. Looking at the stock's performance in the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the stock price stands at 6.77% below the 52-week high, amounting to $13.42 lower. Furthermore, it is also 19.04% below the all-time high, which was reached on August 30, 2018, when the price peaked at $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, UBS gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. Evercore ISI reported on Thursday, November 2, 2023, that they gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Barclays also reported on Thursday, November 2, 2023, giving Apple an equal weight grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, November 2, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Apple stock has been given a general rating of strong buy. They have also rated the P/E ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to the return on investment, analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Today, let's take a closer look at Apple's stock signals. Apple's stock is showing positive signs with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is some support from the price levels at $182.03 and $175.79. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it may issue sell signals. Another positive signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, suggesting a buying opportunity. However, there have also been some negative signals that could potentially impact the stock's near-term development. Recently, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, November 10, 2023, resulting in a -0.86% decline so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume of trading decreased along with the price on the last trading day. This reduction in volume following price movements helps reduce overall risk. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence signal indicates a buy. The pivot signal indicates a sell, which occurred 2 days ago. The Bollinger signal indicates a buy, which occurred 2 days ago. The short-term moving average signal indicates a buy, which occurred 11 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicates a buy, which occurred 9 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy, which occurred 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. The short moving average signal indicates a buy, which occurred 9 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicates a buy, which occurred 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy, which occurred 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple's stock finds support from accumulated volume at $177.56. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as it is likely to trigger an upwards reaction when tested. When it comes to trading this stock, it's important to note that it has average movements during the day and a good trading volume. Therefore, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the stock's recent performance, it had a price range of $1.82 between its high and low in the last day, which accounts for a 0.99% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.37%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly go over some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. For Apple, the P/E ratio is relatively normal. This is often the case for companies with well-established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $1.39. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $186.40. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a position. For those who already hold Apple stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. One of the most recent insider trades involved Condo Chris, who bought and sold a total of 22,274 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power ratio stands at -21.506, indicating a negative trend. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 2,317,906 shares and sold 3,785,262 shares. We recommend setting a stop loss at $177.51, which represents a decrease of 3.95%. This stock demonstrates medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was detected from a pivot top 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? While Apple holds several positive signals, we believe that it is not yet a strong buy candidate. At the current level, it would be wise to hold or accumulate this position and wait for further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Apple stock is undervalued. For Tuesday, November 14th, we predict that Apple will open up with a gain of $0.213 and start trading at $185.01. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the provided information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your opinions by commenting below. We're curious to know your target for this stock as well. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day.